Hello everyone, I am Divyesh Shah and I am going to present on the topic Is complete ban to Chinese product possible? At first sight, Chinese products seem ubiquitous in India and all over the world. So I would like to start my discussion on this topic with mobile phones, the most and probably the most important equipment of all, which is gifted by China, especially Oppo, Vivo, and OnePlus, which are the major selling brands nowadays. As you can hear, the same ringtone in the room. Apart from that, many broadcasting equipments like speaker, cables, wire that we use to communicate with others are also Chinese products. So I don't think I need to answer this question, as it seems impossible to live without those equipments. Keeping statistical data aside, even for a day, it seems impossible to live a normal life without this equipment because they play an important role in our life. For example, from mobile phones to computers, from rubber tires to vehicle, and from integrated circuit to semiconductor device, everything we use is a majorly China-based thing. Also, a blanket ban, which is a term used for complete ban of import of raw material or products from any country, is not possible under the World Trade Organization rules. So, according to the general survey of people in the market, the observation made is the availability of cheap Chinese products in the market. And also, as everyone know, that one fourth our Indian population is registered below poverty line. So, beside attraction to these products, they couldn't even afford the similar costlier products available in the market. So, banning Chinese products will have an adverse effect on this type of people. Also, a average consumer who is price conscious like you and me, who doesn't care whether the product is made in China or USA, as long as it gets the best goods at cheaper rate. For this, let's take an example. If in the market a Chinese smartphone is available for Rs 6,000, and if similar smartphone having same features of any other reputed company is available for Rs 16,000, it's obvious that a normal or average consumer would go for the Chinese smartphone rather than buying a smartphone which is 3 times costlier. And this creates a huge demand of Chinese products in the market. So if we ban the Chinese products, it will have great impact on this kind of people, for example that's middle class people. Now let's take a look at some bar graph which is visible on your screen. You can see this graphic consists of the imports from China from year 2015 to 2018. As you can see, there's a gradual increase from 2015 to 2018. For example, in 2015, the imports from China was $60.7 million US dollars. In 2016, it increased to 61.28. In 2000, it just went to 72 million US dollars, and in 2018, it's 76.38. So, as you can see, there is a gradual increase in the imports from China to India, according to one of the reports submitted by Standing Committee of Commerce on July 26, 2018. They said in the report that many industrial sectors like pharmaceutical industries, textile industry, then solar industry, electronic industry are much more based on raw materials of Chinese imports. Now let's first talk about the pharmaceutical industries. This reliance, there is a heavy reliance on the Chinese import for raw materials in pharmaceutical industries. In some cases, for life-saving drugs, like there are many life-saving drugs, so this dependence is almost 90%. So if we ban these imports of, for example, Chinese products, then there will be a huge shortage of these raw materials in pharmaceutical industries, which will indirectly lead to the prices of this medicine and other related products. And the poor people of our country won't be able to afford these costly medicines and other related products. So if there is a complete ban to these Chinese products, then we need to produce the goods that we imported from China at our home in India. That means which will involve a considerable relocation of the resources from productive to unproductive uses. Also, immediately the range of products as a choice to the consumer will diminish. Moreover, the quality of product might deteriorate, and also there will be a huge price hike of these products. Also, the trade benefit would wipe out, and the cost of all the products will rise higher, which will indirectly affect the consumer, and the retailers might suffer because of that. So finally, concluding my answer, I would say that affect our economy very badly. So yes, complete ban to Chinese products is not possible. Thank you.